Your question is, the idea of the preamble has been borrowed in Indian constitution from the constitution of. Your options are A. Italy, B. Canada, C. France, or D. USA. Right answer is D. USA. Your question is, the concept of a union of states in the Indian constitution has been derived from. Your options are A. The American Declaration of Independence, B. The Australian Constitution, C. The British North American Act, or D. The Swiss Constitution. Right answer is C. The British North American Act. Your question is, in Indian political system, which one is supreme? Your options are A. The Supreme Court, B. The Constitution, C. The Parliament, or D. Religion. Right answer is B. The Constitution. Your question is, the concept of judicial review in India has been adopted from the constitution of. Your options are A. UK, B. USA, C. USSR, or D. Australia. Right answer is B. USA. Your question is, the feature of federal system of the Indian constitution is inspired by the constitution of. Your options are A. Canada, B. United Kingdom, C. USA, or D. Ireland. Right answer is A. Canada. Your question is, the Indian federalism is based on the pattern of which country? Your options are A. USA, B. Canada, C. Australia, or D. Germany. Right answer is B. Canada. Your question is, the system of judicial review exists in. Your options are A. India only, B. USA only, C. India and USA, or D. UK only. Right answer is C. India and USA. Your question is, which of the following statements is true? Your options are A. The federal form of government is in United States of America, B. The government of India is federal and unitary both, C. The government of France is of federal form, or D. The Prime Minister of Pakistan is appointed by the people. Right answer is A. The federal form of government is in United States of America. Your question is, which of the following characteristics is common between the federal system of India and America? Your options are A. A single citizenship, B. Three lists in the constitution, C. Dual judicial system, or D. A federal supreme court for interpretation of the constitution. Right answer is D. A federal supreme court for interpretation of the constitution. Your question is, concurrent list included in Indian constitution is given by. Your options are A. The Soviet Union, B. Australia, C. Italy, or D. Canada. Right answer is B. Australia.